Okay, time for another unboxing video. Know what's inside, but you guys don't. Let's find out together, shall we? Okay, I got two anime Blu-rays here. First up is the first half of Soul Eater, which is known as the Meester Collection. It has the first 26 episodes. And it's in this nice slipcover. Here's the actual case. That's the same thing. I'm going to open this up, see what's inside. Got the usual fill me out stuff. Okay, here's the first disc. Here's the second disc. And this is the third disc. Here's some artwork behind it. Looks very nice. And now I saved the best for last. This is Season 1 of Yu Yu Hakusho. The first 28 episodes. This is part of the Anime Classics line. Looks pretty nice. Now for the case itself. Pretty much the same as the slipcover. Alright, let's see what's inside. If I can get this darn thing to open. There we go. Another one of those fill me out cards like I showed you earlier. Here's the episode listing for the first disc, which is right here. Here's disc 1. Here's disc 2. And here's disc 3. Pretty basic. And under here, if I can get this to open up, episode listings for disc 2 and 3. This is a pretty good series. Can't wait to check it out. And I also can't wait to check out Soul Eater as well. Well, there you have it. That was my unboxing video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time.